Puneet has so much of Mirzapur in him that the season 2 that he gave us, if season 1 we were happy with what material we got, season 2 we were ecstatic.
Hi, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I am Rashita Sahani, and today we have with us the men behind the making of Mirzapur, welcoming Gurmeet Singh, Mihir Desai, and Puneet Krishna. Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Pleasure to be here.
Firstly, tell me, Puneet, that how did you conceive the world of Mirzapur and its characters? Like it has become so iconic now.
So I was just saying that I had grown up in Eastern UP for around 8 to 9 years of my life, essentially speaking the Purvanchal part of Uttar Pradesh, which is Eastern UP. So probably the kind of characters that I met in my life during that period of time, the personality traits, the perks, the kind of jobs that they used to do. Some of them were friends also. So I think those personality traits seeped into the writing of the show when it started. So the story is definitely completely fictional, but some of those colors come from those experiences that I had with those people. So that has helped me for sure to write.
Okay. And Gurmeet and Mihir, when and why did you decide and plan that there should be and must be a season 2 for Mirzapur?
It was there in the writing already. This
Okay.
kind of an ending that Puneet had come up with was it was part of the writing. So we were very hopeful that if the audience likes season 1, then there is going to be a season 2 because the story is not getting complete in season 1 for sure. So we knew that there was going to be a follow-up season.
The audience pretty much decided for us.
Definitely. And Puneet, when you were writing the story, the characters that have become so classic now, like Kaleen Bhaiya, Munna Guddu, everyone, how did you relate to those characters? Did you take inspiration from your own surroundings or somewhere you have been before?
Some characters and inspirations were there. For example, Munna Tripathi's character has some influences from a real life character that used to be a friend of mine. But apart from that, mostly speaking, it's just incidental that they are into the business of guns and drugs and violence. Other than that, we have always maintained and believed that these are very real characters. You know, the relationship between Kaling Bhaiya and Munna Tripathi is like any other father-son relationship where frustration creeps in, the misunderstandings creep in, the seeking of validation comes into play. So I think in that sense, all these characters have very real characters, but as I said, the violence streak, some of them have come from real life experiences.
Okay. And Gurmeet and Mihir, Ali Fazal, we spoke to Ali Fazal recently, and he said that Mirzapur has the potential to become the longest running homegrown show in the history of web shows in India. So what is your view on that?
Well, उसके मुंह में घी शक्कर अली के hopefully what he says becomes true. But I guess we're not thinking so far forward. Like you said, I think all of us, and more importantly, Puneet, I guess it's not so much for me and Mihir to think about these things. It's more for Puneet and the producers of the show, Farhan and Ritesh, to think about the longevity of the show and where it's moving forward. I think they create the show, so they will know better as to how much legs it has and where it can go. We know that Puneet has so much of Mirzapur in him that the season 2 that he gave us, if season 1 we were happy with what material we got, season 2 we were ecstatic कि उन्होंने इतना लिख के दिया और इतना बढ़िया लिख के दिया और इतना लेयर्ड लिख के दिया कि मन यही करता है कि सीजन 3 भी मतलब तुरंत ही शुरू कर दिया जाए क्योंकि उसके लिए भी बहुत माल होगा. तो but I think it's more for the creators to decide where they want to take the show and for how long.
Okay. And Mihir?
No, it's exactly, it's more of a producer call and Puneet's call because he's sort of, this world is his. And Ali, I'm sure, is, he has this humor which we all love. So it's probably him being really tongue-in-cheek when he's saying that this can go on forever.
Okay. And how was it on set? Because even when we were talking to Divendra, he said that it was like everyone was helping each other, and there were like no clashes. Everything was moving very smoothly. But as makers, were there any challenges that you faced, or it was smooth enough for you all also?
I think the general operational challenges are probably the only ones that we had to face. जो regular चीजें होती हैं कि time कम है, dates clashing हो रही हैं, logistical light जा रही है, वो सब चीजों का I think stress रहा होगा. But I don't think we had any people issues on the show. That way we've been very, very fortunate. Again, top down from producers, from having, again, even further up, like, you know, from the people at Amazon, whether it's Aparna or Vijay and their team, you know, Farhan and Ritesh, who are probably the coolest producers in town, and everyone knows it. Like, you can't get more people which are more trusting, which are most forward looking. So from there down to, you know, everybody else in the crew and the entire cast, it's just been a great camaraderie. और सब लोग एक दूसरे का बार रेज ही करते हैं. So if they come on to set and if they come on to something that they find can be better, it's only because they want the show to, you know, do better. They want their co-stars to be as power packed as they are. So they support each other, they push each other, and the same goes with the three of us. You know, we're always there to look after each other and to push each other for, you know, better things and find stability within the core, which is the three of us, to make sure that if we are not hectic, you know, that won't pervade into the rest of the crew and cast. And I think that hopefully we were successful in doing.
Yeah, that's the right thing he said. We just have to make sure that the three of us get on the same page, and then it translates really well on set. On set.
Yeah, I think we have never had a bitter fight in the last 4.5 years. Never ever.
And maybe for ordering food, ki khana kya mangana,
Yeah, that's the primary one. Yeah.
Okay, that's everywhere actually.
Yeah.
So, Puneet, as a writer, which character is your personal favorite? I'm not going to name, you can just name any of your choice.
तो सीजन 1 की बात करेंगे क्योंकि 2 तो अभी लोगों को देखना है. तो 1 के अंदर मुझे कंपाउंडर बहुत पसंद है, जो मैंने पहले भी शायद कहा है एक दो और जगह पर भी, क्योंकि वो कैरेक्टर एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो मिर्जापुर की दुनिया के अंदर है और बहुत वायलेंट भी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम उसका सोचने का तरीका बाकियों से अलग है. वो अपना पर्सनल फायदा नुकसान नहीं देखता. वो मुन्ना भैया का दोस्त है. मुन्ना भैया खुद ही डार्क कैरेक्टर है, तो उनका दोस्त होकर उनके लिए भी बिना सवाल पूछे कुछ काम कर जाने का मतलब एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी लॉयल्टी एंड फ्रेंडशिप, जो शायद बहुत रेयर है किसी भी वर्ल्ड में. मिर्जापुर का वर्ल्ड हो या किसी भी और तरह का वर्ल्ड हो, बहुत रेयर है. तो मुझे कैरेक्टर बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. एंड ही विल गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट टू मेक हिज फील to make his friend feel better, even if at the cost of giving his life. So that's my favorite character. One of my favorite characters. Can't be the most favorite, one of my favorite characters.
And in 2018, when the first season released, no one sort of had this idea that it's going to become like larger than life and people are going to like love it so much. Wait for the second season. Now it's coming with a preconceived notion that this is going to be fantastic and people are actually waiting for it. Is it at any point making you nervous?
Yes, absolutely.
Very, very.
Me at least.
Yes,
for sure. Sometimes it feels like, yeah, I mean, it should just come out right now, so then people will know, because there's just so much going on, and the show needs to speak for itself. And I think once it does, hopefully it'll all work out.
Okay. Puneet and Gurmeet, if you would want to add to that.
Same चीज हमने actually एक साथ ही react किए थे. Yes, it makes us feel nervous for sure. और I think इससे शायद कुछ भी क्या होगा कि हम ज्यादा मेहनत करें और बाकी तो ये कि पब्लिक देखे और उनको मजा आए.
I mean, हम लोग we are very keen to see what their takeaway of this season is going to be, because बहुत दूसरी चीजों से ये बहुत अलग है, क्योंकि अगर आप फिल्म करते हो तो आप नया ही काम कर रहे होते हो जब भी वो रिलीज होने वाला है, या अगर आप शो भी पहली बार कर रहे हो तो इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम इट्स कमिंग आउट. ये बहुत यूनिक सिचुएशन है हम सबके लिए कि एक शो जिस पे हम काम कर चुके हैं उसका सेकंड सीजन आ रहा है और बहुत हाईली एंटिसिपेटेड है. सो वी आर वेरी कीन टू सी के how will it translate, how is our work translated into something that we've done before and we are now bringing another edition of it. So we really don't know how to gauge this or how to behave or what to expect. Is it nervousness, is it anxiousness, are we overconfident, are we unconfident? We don't know. We constantly keep messaging each other and saying now how are you feeling, and it's across the group. And you know, sometimes the actors will message and say how are you feeling today, and same with us. So everyone has this great anticipation for the 23rd.
Yeah.
We
It's
thought our
fun.
job
And-
was just to make the show, you know, we made the show and then now the pressure has just come up.
Yeah.
Okay. And the women of Mirzapur, they are strong-headed. They have their like very strong head, strong personality. So when you were creating the show, was it a conscious and collective decision to sort of show them as empowering?
तो ऑन सेट की बात तो गुरु भाई उम्मीद करेंगे. कागज पे अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये कह सकता हूं कि सी द काइंड ऑफ वर्ल्ड मिर्जापुर इज, if women are not strong they won't survive any which way. So it's imperative that they will be strong. वो स्ट्रॉन्ग अपने अलग अलग तरीकों से होंगी. हो सकता है कि मुन्ना की तरह वो गन ना चलाती घूम रही हो, या गुड्डू की तरह वो बॉडी बिल्डिंग ना करती घूम रही हो, but they are very strong in their own way. They are very strong internally, and sometimes men even don't know in the world that the woman, the daughter, the sister, the bhabhi, the friend, the lover, that particular woman in their life is so strong that they don't even know about it. So I think there is no other way for the women to be other than strong in the world.
Yeah, and many times strength is mistaken for, you know, just like let's give her a gun and now she's strong. But in Mirzapur, you'll see a range of characters where they have their own strengths, you know, and it's not always just physical power.
And I think it's sort of very easy and constantly been asked about the men of Mirzapur or the women of Mirzapur. I don't think that people writing it has sort of divided that in his head that this is how you're going to
Absolutely.
treat certain characters. And the इनकी राइटिंग की जो बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ ये है कि कैरेक्टर चाहे कितना भी कम हो या कितना भी ज्यादा हो, they come with their own conviction. So in a scene, every actor is leading his own life to the fullest, and they
Yeah.
are not in the scene trying to play second fiddle to any other character. They are living their own life in its completion. So even a character like Babar in that scene where in season 1 I'm talking about, where Rati Shankar is killed and Rati Shankar abuses Guddu, the first person to retaliate is Babar, even though you have Guddu and Bablu there. It's just a sense of, I don't know how Puneet comes up with this, but he naturally brings these things out of his characters, and I think he lives all of them. They all live within him. So when he puts something down on paper, there is a sense of great world building that he has naturally, जो कि बहुत rare है, और ये, I mean, it's a talent that we treasure, and I hope people will too.
There's respect for every character, and that really makes them full.
Definitely. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much, guys. All the very best for the show.
Thank you. Thank you.